Are you wondering how to use tax-efficient strategies to grow your retirement fund? If you're nearing retirement or already retired, this is a crucial question that could make a significant difference in your financial future. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to show you practical, actionable strategies that can help you grow your retirement fund without paying more taxes than necessary. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how one particular tax-efficient strategy has helped many retirees protect and grow their wealth, especially in today's unpredictable economy. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to check out the first link in the description below for a free guide on gold IRAs. This could be a game changer for your retirement savings, and I'll explain why in just a moment. But for now, let's talk about tax-efficient strategies. First off, tax efficiency isn't just about avoiding taxes. It's about using the tax rules to your advantage. One of the most common mistakes retirees make is underestimating the power of tax-deferred growth. If you're using traditional IRAs or 401ks, you're already familiar with tax-deferred growth. This means your investments grow without being taxed until you withdraw the money in retirement. That delay allows your money to compound, and the longer you wait to take that money out, the more it can grow. However, not all tax-deferred options are equal. It's crucial to understand how the tax rates you'll face upon withdrawal can impact your future retirement income. This is where tax diversification comes into play. By spreading your retirement savings across different tax structures, such as Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and even taxable investment accounts, you can manage your future tax liability more effectively. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, consider how this approach could help you minimize your tax bill when it's time to take distributions. Now, one of the most overlooked strategies that I see people missing out on is the Roth IRA conversion. If you're currently in a lower tax bracket and expecting to be in a higher one later in retirement, converting part of your traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA can be a smart move. Yes, you'll pay taxes on the conversion amount now, but you won't have to pay taxes on the gains in the Roth IRA when you withdraw the money. Over time, this can lead to huge tax savings. But here's the catch. This strategy works best when done gradually. Converting a large sum all at once could push you into a higher tax bracket, which defeats the purpose. The key is to plan this conversion carefully, and doing so in years where your income is lower, such as during retirement before you start drawing Social Security, could make all the difference. Now, let's talk about something that could be the best tax-efficient strategy for many American retirees: gold IRAs. Gold IRAs give you a unique opportunity to not only diversify your portfolio, but also take advantage of tax-deferred or even tax-free growth, depending on the structure of your gold IRA. You can hold physical gold, silver, and other precious metals in these accounts, and they offer a fantastic hedge against inflation and market volatility. If you're wondering whether gold IRAs are right for you, let me put it this way. Many retirees have already made the switch because of the long-term security they provide. Especially with the uncertainty of the stock market and inflation, gold IRAs give you the peace of mind that comes from having a tangible, stable asset. If you have at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, this could be a great fit for you. And if you're not sure whether a gold IRA is the right choice, check out the free guide linked below. Thousands of Americans are already using this strategy to protect and grow their retirement wealth, and this guide will show you why. The last point I'll mention is tax-efficient withdrawals. When the time comes to start taking money from your retirement accounts, you want to be strategic. By taking withdrawals from tax-deferred accounts, like your traditional IRA or 401k, in a way that doesn't push you into a higher tax bracket, you can keep more of your money. Combining withdrawals from different types of accounts, taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free, allows you to control your tax situation more effectively. Again, I want to remind you to check out the first link in the description for your free guide on gold IRAs. If you've got $100,000 or more in your retirement savings, this is a must-read resource to help protect your wealth from inflation and market volatility. And for those of you with even higher amounts, gold IRAs can be a game changer in diversifying and safeguarding your wealth for future generations. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to take action now. Whether you're planning your retirement or already in it, using these tax-efficient strategies can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. And if you're serious about securing your wealth, especially with a gold IRA, make sure to grab that free guide and start taking action today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.